In this video, we will show you how to create beautiful dynamic captions using Wondershare Filmora video editor. What is dynamic captions? Dynamic caption is subtitles that appear on a video, but they highlight the active words. Okay, we will show you the demo. What is the dynamic captions? In this video, we will show you how to register or subscribe a free trial on Spotify Premium. In this video, we will show you how to register or subscribe a free trial on Spotify Premium. And that's the example how the dynamic caption works. Okay, because this is beautiful subtitles, we can use them. We will use using the original video, for example. The first step is open your Wondershare Filmora video editor. Okay, then you need to add the original video that have the sound. Make sure the sound is clear. So this is very important to Wondershare Filmora get the auto captions. Okay, this is the original ones. I will make this half quality. Okay, you can see in this video we will show you how to register or subscribe a free trial on Spotify Premium. Okay, you can see there is no caption here. To start creating a caption, just click your video, okay, and select titles and select AI captions. Okay, you can see. After that, you can just select dynamic captions. Okay, because this is using AI and auto detect, it's required points. Okay, you can get points in here or AI credits. So this is required based on your video length. Because my video is short, it's just required for AI credits. To start creating dynamic caption, just click generate. Okay, wait until this done. It's 15%. Now it's complete. We can zoom to fit timeline this. Okay, you can see in this video we will show you how to register or subscribe a free trial. You can click on the captions or text, double click in here, and you can select a preset. For example, in my existing one using this, so you can apply to all. Okay. In this video, we will show you how to register or subscribe a free trial on Spotify Premium. Now, beautiful. You can using another with background, for example. Okay, we will try to find with background. Okay, for example, here. Okay, and let's try. Okay, this is you how to register or subscribe a free trial on. But you must switch with your video background. If there is white, maybe it's ugly if the tag is white also. So you need to change the contrast. For example, like this. This is suitable with background video is white. I click apply to all. And in this video, we will show you how to register or subscribe a free trial on Spotify Premium. Okay. And that's how you can creating the dynamic AI caption with beautiful styling in here. Okay. I just like using this because this is the beautiful one. So to activate, you can also click this or just apply to all here. And that's all. Tutorial how to create beautiful dynamic caption using Wondershare Filmora video editor. And if you have any question, you can just fill in the form comments below. Okay, the last, you can just click export and you can give the name GB2, for example. Okay, after that, you can just open the folder and see the result like this. In this video, we will show you how to register or subscribe a free trial on Spotify Premium. Thanks for watching.